Our examples for today is to evaluate. We have two questions here. The first one is 8 to the power 1/3, and the other one is 64 to the power 1/6. So evaluating such questions is very simple. So all we have to do is, firstly, we should rewrite the expression which we have 1 to the power 1/3. Then the other way of writing this expression is just simply writing the root like this. Then the number which is down here, we put it here. Then the big number 8, we put it inside. Then the number which is on top, we just put it outside of the brackets like this. Then what this means is that find a number which you should replace it with 8. And that number must be raised to the power 3 to give us 8. So the only number which we can raise to the power 3 and it is going to give us 8 is just 2 to the power 3. You can simply try out starting with the smallest number like 1 to the power 3. 1 to the power 3 fails to give us 8. Then we go to the next number, 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is the one which is going to give us an 8. So meaning we're going to replace the 8 which is inside the root here with 2 to the power 3. So the result will be 2 to the power 3. Not forgetting that the first expression had a 1 outside here, so we follow suit. So it means now that we have these two numbers identical, 3 and 3. So we can cancel out this and that to remain with 2 in brackets and the 1 which is outside. But 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. That is how we do it. Then the second example, B, we have 64 to the power 1/6. So we follow the same procedure. We introduce the root. Then the number which is down here, again, we put it here like this, 6. So this is the 6th root. Then we have the 64. So 64, we put it inside here. Then the number which is on top here remains our power, like that. So again, this expression means that find a number which you should replace with 64, and that number must be raised to the power 6 because we have a 6 here. So what we do is we put 6 here, then we start trying out the numbers. 1 to the power 6, what does it give us? It gives us 1. But 2 to the power 6 will give us 64. So meaning this 64 should be replaced with 2 to the power 6. Like that. Then not forgetting the brackets again with the 1 which is here. Then we can simplify now. We cancel out the 6 which is here and the 6 which is here to remain with 2 to the power 1, which is just equal to 2. Okay, so we can just add up another example. Let us try the last one, C, which is 49 to the power 1/2. To make it a little bit fun, let us put the 3 here, like that. So this again, we should write it in such a way that firstly we introduce the root like that. Then the number which is down here, the 2, this is the one which we put here. Then the 49, the big number, we put it inside the root. Then the number which is on top here, that is the one which we put outside of the brackets as our power. Then following the same procedure, this simply means that we should express the number which is inside of the brackets. We should find a number that if we raise it to the power 2, it must give us 49. So you can start trying out the numbers. You can start from 1. 1 to the power 2, we get 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4. And 2 to the power 3, and 3 to the power 2 is 9. 4 to the power 2 is 16. And 5 to the power 2 is 25. 6 to the power 2 is equal to 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. But 7 to the power 2 is going to give us 49. So meaning this 49 can be replaced with 7 to the power 2. So this is what we write. So we have 2. Then the only number which we can raise to the power 2, which is going to give us 49, is 7 to the power 2. Then not forgetting that we still have the power 3. So now the numbers are identical. We have 2 and 2. So we can cancel out this and that. to remain with 7 inside, but outside of the brackets again we have this power 3. So we can now simplify this. We know 7 to the power 3 simply means 7 times 7 times 7, like this. Then, so simplifying this, 7 times 7 is going to give us 49, and 49 times 7 is equal to 343. So this is how we solve.